We're going to do Bang Bang Shrimp today, but we're going to modify it. So it's not a pure copycat. We're going to add a little bit of stuff that we like. Tammy's with me. You're going to make the sauce, right?
Yeah, you're going to make the sauce.
This whole recipe's super easy, super quick. Let's get going.
So for traditional Bang Bang sauce, you're going to use a half a cup of mayo. You're going to use a 1/4 cup of Thai sweet chili sauce. And you're going to use about a 1/4 teaspoon of sriracha. We're going to use a little bit more than that. That's it. You mix it up. But for ours, we're going to do a little bit different. We're going to put in a little bit of ginger. About a half teaspoon. And I'm also going to put in a little bit of this chili garlic sauce. And this is pretty spicy, so we're going to use just about another maybe half a teaspoon of that.
It's like a tablespoon of each.
Okay. And then we're going to stir this up. And this is what we are going to toss our shrimp in. This is going to be our Bang Bang sauce.
I got 2 pounds of royal red shrimp here. Got them on a skewer. Got this grill temperature cranked up to around 500 degrees. Now you don't have to season these at all. You can just use the Bang Bang sauce. But I'm going to use this Grillaholics SPG. You could put a little salt and pepper, your own homemade with the garlic. A lot of people do that, I know. If you want to know more about this, I'll put a link in the description box. Hey, it's been about 3 minutes. Look at the beautiful color on these shrimp. Just going to turn them over. We'll let them go maybe 2 more minutes. I think that's all it's going to take. Just hit these top sides with a little bit of that same Grillaholics SPG. I'm going to hit it up while it's on the fire with that Bang Bang shrimp sauce that Tammy made. See if I can't get a little bit of caramelization. It's mayonnaise based, like I say. May be a mistake, we'll see. Not going to put the bottom, I'm afraid it's just too much heat for that sauce on the bottom. So it started raining. I let those shrimp go 2 more minutes. Now they're on the board, cutting board. We're going to get ready to finish dipping them in the sauce and trying them out. I'm going to try to get these shrimp off here in this sauce that Tammy made. Show you how we're going to serve these up here in just 1 moment. I've got a shrimp here in the bowl. Now what are you going to do?
I'm going to mix them up so we get the goodness all over all of them.
Yeah?
Because we want them to be covered in the Bang Bang sauce.
They smell good. It started raining. I don't know if you can hear that in the background or not.
Florida. All right, so we're going to...
Oh, so they're like Bang Bang shrimp boats.
They're Bang Bang shrimp boats, yeah. We're going to put them in here. Ooh, these are hard to work with here.
Oh, yeah. I think those are actually salad things, so it might be a little bit too long.
They're a little long, yeah. It's okay. I'm going to make them work.
Now, traditional Bang Bang shrimp aren't going to have this, but they also don't come in lettuce wraps. It'll look good. Tammy and I like a little extra spice. It gives us a nice color. Now, what else do you have for it?
Green onion.
This is Bang Bang shrimp, our style. Tammy style. There you have it. That's Bang Bang shrimp the way we like to eat them. But let's give it a try. The flavor is spot on the restaurant. The lettuce gives it a nice crunch.
So good.
You saw how easy that was to make.
So
no
good.
simmering of sauces. Heat your grill up. 5, 6, 7 minutes cooked.
And they're not fried. Like traditionally in the restaurant they're fried. It's a lot better for you, even though there's mayonnaise.
Took her a whole 1-2 minutes to make up the sauce. Thanks so much for watching another one of our videos.